Hello, viewers. Welcome. If I ask you, can you write your name? You'll of course say yes, of course, why not? But if I ask you, can you write the sound of your name? You might say that no, I have not thought. Maybe. But yes, of course, there is a way by using it, you can write the sound of your name. This video is the extension of my earlier video, in which I talked about the introduction to phonetics. Now, what is phonetics? I have already discussed in that video. It was a very big video, and in that thing I gave a detailed description of phonetics. Here today I would discuss how phonetics helps us in our daily life. Let me share my screen, just a minute. Okay, that's it. Let's start. This is phonetics transcription. It's called phonetics transcription. In my earlier video, I would request you, if you have not watched that video, please stop this video, go to that video available on my channel. The name of the video is I think phonetics for the beginners. Watch that video and then come here. It would be very helpful. So in that video I discussed about what is phonetics. I discussed there that it is the study of our speech sound, or what we speak. If we study that sound, then it is called phonetics. Like every other subjects like history, geography, phonetics also is a subject regarding speech sound. Fine. Now, how phonetic transcription helps us in our daily life? It helps us in understanding and reading the sound of a particular word. I have selected here a piece of paper from a dictionary. Fine. You can see some words are here. In any dictionary, you will see here, see the word plumber. If we read this word letter by letter, it would be like plumber. But just beside that, if you notice here, something is written. Some letters are known to us and some are not here. Now, this is actually the pronunciation of the word plumber. Fine. Plumber, the pronunciation of this word is shown through these letters. Now, how to read these letters, I would now discuss. Fine. You can check other words also, like for example, I am taking this word here, pneumonia. Okay, how to pronounce this word, right? For that we have to take help of what is written beside it. See, I am highlighting it. Okay, so this is here in the sky color, the pronunciation of the word pneumonia. Okay, of course it is pneumonia. Now, if we follow the instruction of this phonetics, our pronunciation would be accurate, and we would be understand other people who are speaking English, and those people would be able to understand what we are speaking. Okay, so let's move forward. Just a minute, we're not working. Okay, so IPA. Now the phonetics transcription is actually takes place with the help of IPA. I have already discussed what is IPA. IPA is the International Phonetic Alphabet, right? Like we have alphabet of English, A, B, C, D up to Z. IPA is also a alphabetic system which represents the sound of the letters and words and sentences. Fine. So this is the set of, here you can see this is the set of IPA alphabet here. Fine. Now I will discuss how to read these letters. Fine. There are 20 total 44 IPA symbols, and these are here. You can see the vowel sounds, and at the bottom these are here the consonant sounds. Fine, let's move forward. The vowel sounds, I am reading one by one. Like the first one here is this E sound as in heed, then I sound as in head, then A sound as in head, then A sound as in head. Fine. Then come here U sound as in shoe, then U sound as in put, O sound as in saw, and O sound as in hard, and then A sound as in hard, then A sound as in the, and then A sound as in bird, and then A sound as in cut. Right? So these are the vowel sounds. They all these things are discussed in my earlier video, so I am not going into details. Fine. Next, we have the consonant sounds here. So here the place and manner of articulation are given, but I'm not going into details. I'm again telling you, for the detailed study, please go to my earlier video. Fine. So the sounds are again I'm repeating the sounds, like pa as in pie, ba as in by, ma as in my, fa as in phi, va as in why. Then this is tha as in thigh, this is the as in thy, this is ta as in tie, this is da as in die, this is na as in nigh, sa as in sigh, za as in zap. Then we have ra as in rai, la in lie, sha. This sign is sha as in shy, and this is ja as in azure. Then cha sound as in chide, ja sound as in judge, and this is yo, not j. It is not j, it is y sound. So as in your, ka sound as in kind, ga sound as in guy, nga, this is called nga as in bring sound, and then ha as in high, and wa as in why. These are the sounds. Now to understand completely, first you have to remember all these sounds. To understand phonetics, to read the phonetic transcription, first you need to remember these sounds. Why? See the next slides, then you will understand. In the next slide, we will do some uh, phonetic transcriptions of some words. Okay, like here you will see um, this word here, and in this word the letters are P-E-C-U-L-I-A-R. Now this is a word, fine, and we read it peculiar, but how to write peculiar? And here on the right side you see that in the red color the sound of peculiar is represented here through the IPA, International Phonetic Alphabets. Right now, remember, sounds are written within two slashes. Fine. Next, next word we have fashion. See, fashion here, F-A-S-H-I-O-N, and the sound of the word fashion is represented through these phonetic symbols. Fine. Fashion, F, here you can see F, first sound, then a sound, then sh sound, then a sound, and then n sound. Fashion. Fine. Now, of course, you have noticed that something like apostrophe is there. They are the stress, right? On which syllable you have to put stress is indicated by these apostrophes. Fine. See next words. Tiger, then see thermometer, thermometer. Then next word, see chamber. Now the sound cha, ch, is represented through this symbol of IPA. Okay, so it is chamber. Then we have the word sentiment, then shark, then issue. See, I hope you notice it, that double S here in ISSUE, double S make the sound sha, not sa. Issue, right? Now next word we have committee, then kilo, then quick, then chemistry. See how C and H they make the sound come. Then before, verify, danger, and then next you see we have jaguar, then jeans. Now see, it is not jeans, not s sa sound, but z sound, jeans. Now why it is not sa and why it is za, I will discuss in other video. Then you see it is zodiac, then azure, then great, history, then marathon, then nostalgic. Fine. Next, mango. So here I will draw your attention that N and G, they make the sound ng, and ng sound is represented by this symbol. Fine. Mango, mango. Fine. Next we have words like rapid, then liver, then wonderful. Fine. Now, yes, again, I would draw your attention here. See, I said yo. Yo is represented by this symbol. Okay, so it is yellow. Now, next word we have um, beautiful. Again, yo sound. Now the vowel sounds. See, EAT, it's eat. That means here you can notice this sound, uh, here, and the red color I have highlighted, eat. Then we have it sound, it. That means this sound here, again highlighting it, it. Okay, it. Okay, then next we have ustad, ustad, or ustad sound. Fine. Then u sound, then oops sound, ooh. One is ooh and another one is ooh, oops. Okay, next we have sounds like and, then America, then ultra, then all. Then we have art, then orange, then all, then and. Next, 8. These are the diphthongs. So earlier those were monophthongs, and now these are the diphthongs. I hope you remember monophthongs are those sounds, those vowel sounds which have only one glide. Here, see, um, all these sounds are monophthongs because they have a single glide. But here on the right side, you see these all are diphthongs. Diphthongs means they have double glide, right? So 8 is a diphthong, A is diphthong. Next we have eyes, fine. Then oyster, then out, then ounce, then ear, then air, then poor. So all the sounds, including consonants and vowels, I have covered here. Fine. So by now I hope you have learned how the pronunciation or the phonetic transcription of a word is written. Fine. Remember, they are written with the help of phonetic IPA, I mean international phonetic alphabets, and they are written within 2 slashes. Fine. Now let's see some sentences. Fine. To be a good speaker, you have to practice a lot. Now, how to write this sentence in a IPA system? Fine. Now, see TO, T. Then BE, I will rather use markers here. Wait. That you can see here, T, and this is T. B, then here B. Here then good, here good. Then speaker, here speaker. Then you have, sorry, have, then have, then to, then to. Practice, then practice, then lot. Fine. So to be a good speaker, you have to practice a lot. Now the word to, here the word to, 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 oh, I cannot put O. How to write O here? Fine. To, the phonetic transcription of this word is two, two, but here it is not two but t, t, t. So to be a good speaker, you have to practice a lot. So in the earlier video also I have discussed that depending upon the position of a word, the sound of that particular word sometimes changes. Fine. Now see the next sentence. Next sentence is a bit interesting. See, it is she. First, we can get the transcription. Now, she, here it is. At the bottom also, it is. Oh, sorry. Something is wrong. Huh? Here she now sells. Sells. Now, why it is not sells sa sound at the end, and why it is sells the sound at the end, I'll discuss in other video. See, then see, shells, then shells, buy, then buy, the, see, show, and show. So here it is sa sound, here it is sa sound, here it is sha sound, so here it is sha sound. Fine, this is the difference. Now how to learn these things? First thing, I told you that you have to remember the symbols of the IPA, all 44 symbols. Okay, after you remember, you can go to a website which is very helpful website, and in that website you can put any word, any sentence, and that website will give you the phonetic transcription of that word or the or the sentence that you have put there. But I will tell you the tell you the name of the website. One thing you have to remember, that you have to mug up all the symbols, okay, in your brain, like the symbols of A, B, C, D. You have to remember all the symbols in IPA, right? Now I'm showing you the website here. This is the website. The name of the website is, you can see here, it is just a minute, it is 2phonetics.com. this is the name of the website. Okay, when you reach this website, you will get this type of interface, and here you can put your words or sentences, right? And then you will get your result here. Okay, you will get your result here. This fine. You have to remember one thing, that which type of transcription you want, British or American. Fine, because there is some differences between these two types of transcriptions. I prefer British, so you can also, or you can get some, you can do some research on American transcriptions also. Fine. So after putting your sentences or words, you have to then click here. Okay, show transcription. Okay, the result will come here. Fine, that's all. So I hope Uh, by now you have understood how this phonetic transcription helps. Just a minute. To develop your pronunciation, you can take help of this phonetic transcription. Now if you remember all these symbols, you'll be able to read the sounds available on dictionary. And let's try. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try to provide with the answers. Thank you very much.